Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how you install Homebrew Launcher on your Wii U in 2019. So you just need one file to download it. Just click on the first link in the description and you will get this file. So now you need to go to your Explorer and format your SD card into the format FAT32. Okay, if you're done that, just you're good, and then you open the file you downloaded, and there will be a file called Wii U. Just drag it into your SD card, and you're ready to go. And so then you really need to eject your SD card before you do it out of your computer, because if you don't do that, the Wii U can't read that there is the homebrew launcher on the SD card. So just eject it and you're ready to go. I will eject it and put it into my Wii U. Okay, so now we are on my Wii U. I have here the SD card with the homebrew launcher file. You just make sure that your Wii U is turned off. Just put your SD card into the Wii U and power it on. So now it will normally boot up, and yeah, I'll be back when the Wii U is fully booted up. Okay, so now to open the homebrew launcher, you need to just do one thing. Just go into the internet browser and type into the search bar wiiu.console.guide/exploit. So just write it exactly like that. Press on OK. And you will get this error message. Ignore it, just refresh the site. And you will get on this side. You just need to click Run Homebrew Launcher now. And then Homebrew Launcher will slowly boot up. If you boot it for the first time, it will take longer, but then it is really fast. So I am booting not for the first time. So yeah, okay. Now you will only have the HP App Store. From there you can download any game. No, not any game, but any software you need to install games and software. Just click on it and then load. Okay, so now you can tap on it, and yeah, you can click on all apps, and then you here have all apps for what you want to do. Okay, so I will recommend you to download the WUP installer GX2. So I will do a video later how to install any game free on the Wii U. You need this. Just click something on a app, for example this one, and click on Get. Okay, so now if you don't need this app anymore, just click on it and delete it. Yeah, as simple as that. What you don't are allowed to uninstall is to deinstall Homebrew Launcher and HP App Store. That's because without the HP App Store you can't download this stuff, and without the Homebrew Launcher you can't have the Homebrew Launcher. Okay, so to exit the launcher, don't turn off your Wii U. It will make that the Wii U can't read the files. Just tap on the home button to get into the homebrew launcher. Tap again on the home button and it will boot into the Mi Maker. Just click on the close button and then you're back into the Wii menu. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the second video, how to install the homebrew apps or every game free. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm out.